In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to flush the DNS cache in your Google Chrome browser. It's super simple and can help fix browsing issues or load websites faster. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome and enter the command. First, open your Google Chrome browser. Now, in the address bar at the top, type or paste this command. Chrome//netinternals/#DNS. Don't worry, this command is also in the description below, so you can just copy and paste it. Then hit enter. Step 2. Clear DNS cache. You'll see a page with two sections, DNS lookup and host resolver cache. Click the button that says Clear Host Cache. Step 3. Flush socket pools. Now on the left sidebar, click on Sockets. Here, click on the button that says Flush Socket Pools. You might see a warning, but don't worry, it's safe to proceed. That's it. You've successfully flushed your DNS cache in Chrome. To complete the process, close and reopen your browser. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out. If it did, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching.